Okay, hello students. In the virtual class, we learn about the page orientations, columns, and the header and the footer of the document. Right? That hopefully you done the practice for that also. Now we are going to the last topic of the chapter, and then we will do the on the next week notes. We are writing the notes on the next week, and next to next week we are just practicing online for this open office writer. So for the next week, next to I just give you a time for a 1 week to download the open office writer in your laptop, mobile phone, or whatever. You can also use the Word document. If you don't able to download the open office writer in the mobile phone, only for the mobile phone. Okay, so you made a document. Now it's time to print a document. First, a printed version of document is called a hard copy. Whenever you get your question paper, whenever you take your answer sheets, that is called the hard copy. Just because we have made the soft copy and we print it and gave it to you, that is the hard copy. For example, newspapers, that will be directly not printed on the paper, राइट वो डायरेक्ट प्रिंट होके नहीं आते. न्यूज़पेपर जो है उसको पहले एक फॉर्मेट बनाते जाते हैं, कॉलम्स का यूज़ करते हैं, मार्जिन्स का यूज़ करते हैं, बोल्ड, इटालिक्स, अंडरलाइन क्या करना है वो सब कुछ सेटिंग करके पूरे पेज का सेटअप करके फिर उसकी प्रिंट निकालते हैं. तो वैसे ही हमें ओपन ऑफिस राइटर का करना है. जैसे कि अगर आपको कोई मैगज़ीन में कोई प्रिंट देनी हो, कि न्यूज़पेपर में आपको कुछ देना हो कि कुछ किसी के बारे में, फॉर एग्जांपल यू वांट टू से अबाउट समथिंग अबाउट आवर स्कूल, देन यू मेक अ इफेक्टिव डॉक्यूमेंट फॉर दैट, right? So this is a one way to make a simple and effective representation to display other persons. So a printed version of document is called the hard copy. First we are taking the page preview. Whenever you are going to print any of the document, then compulsory please watch the preview of that page, just because it gives the idea how your document appears to you, displayed to you when it comes on the paper, when it print it. Okay, for the printing you compulsory need a printer. First select file, go to the file, page preview. The print preview of the document is displayed. A page preview toolbar with the various command is also shown at the top. Okay, so I already made a one document about our school. 3 pages are that, right? So I'm going to show you the output here. First you have to go to the file, and here you can see that page preview. Whenever you go to the page preview, you can see the how your page will be displayed when you print it out, right? First page, second page, and the third page. These are the page preview, and if you want to close this, then you have to click on the close preview, right? Okay, if you want to, for example, I want to underline this, I forgot to underline that, you can do that. I want to display in the effective manner of this, so you can do that like this. Okay, for example, you want to do the 2 columns for this, then you can select and do the column for that. I'm selecting, already we learned these things in the virtual class. Go to the format, page, columns, 2 columns. Okay, so you can see the output here. It will be converted into the 2 columns whenever you do that. So again we are going to show the page preview. So this is the third page, first page, second page and the third page. आपको पता है कि जब आप देखते हो अपने न्यूज़पेपर में तो वो कुछ इस तरह से ही दिखता है. So I will take the, okay sorry, I just here you can see that इफ़ यू थिंक दैट आई जस्ट डू द परफेक्ट, यहाँ पे मैंने क्या किया, उसको जस्टिफाई करके उसको अरेंज किया, तो यहाँ पे आपको थोड़ा मिक्सअप लग रहा है, राइट। मैंने यहाँ पे जस्टिफाई नहीं किया है, तो आपको दिख रहा है कि यस दिस सेंटेंस इज फॉर फर्स्ट कॉलम एंड दिस इज फॉर सेकेंड कॉलम. Okay, if you see the document and if you want to print the document, then you have to click on this. Directly you can print your document, but your computer or the laptop will be attached with the printer also. This is the full screen of the page preview. This is the big book preview. Whenever you open the book, multiple pages, how many rows and columns you want to see. Sorry, I just take the other ones, increase the size of that. Okay, you can see that here the changes. Again I am going to the book preview 13% and I am increased it to the 100%. Okay, one row, one column. So many options you can see that for the printing the document for the page preview, and I am going to close the preview button here. If you done that, आपने देख लिया कि हाँ मेरा document अब perfect है, I am able to print it now. What is the meaning, what should you have to do to print the document? First, go to the file, click on the print. A print dialog box appear to you. In the range and the copy select section, select the desired options. Step 4, specify the number of copies required from the number of the copy section and click OK. So this will be displayed to you. I will show you. Go to the file, print, or direct shortcut will be Control P. You can also see the print preview here. Okay, so here that range in copies, first of all, what should you want to print all the documents or the number of pages? For example, I want to only print only first and second pages. Then you can see that first page and second page will be here. You are not able to see the third page just because I just write down page 1, 2. If you want to show the output of the only 2 and 3, then you can also say that this is second page and this is my third page. And when you click on the all the pages, then you can see the all the pages here in the preview. Number of copies, how many number of copies you want to print. If you want to just print one, then you have to just write down as it is. For example, newspaper. अगर आप न्यूज़पेपर देख रहे हो तो वो न्यूज़पेपर आपके अकेले के घर पे नहीं आता, वो सबके घर में होता है, तो उसकी बहुत सारी कॉपीज निकलती है. फॉर एग्जांपल वंस 10 कॉपीज़ निकलती है, एक ही बार में 10 कॉपी निकालनी है, तो आपको यहाँ पे इन प्लेस ऑफ 1 यू हैव टू राइट डाउन द 10. Okay, and then you have to click on the print. I am not attaching a printer with my laptop, so I am not going to print, otherwise I will show you the output also. Okay, so all the pages means all the document, pages means prints the identify the pages, and selection, yes, we forgot this word, selections, that means print the selected text and active only when you have to select the part of the text. Okay, I will show you. For example, I just select only this part. If you are selecting, go to the file, print, and here you can see the selection also, and output will be also displayed you. अगर आपको सिर्फ सिलेक्शन ही प्रिंट करना होगा तो, और अगर आपको पेज लेआउट भी यहाँ पे चेंज करना हो तो आप कर सकते हो. पर पेज कितने होंगे, फॉर एग्जांपल ऑल शीट्स में करके आपको यहाँ पे दिखा सकती हूँ कि अगर आपको एक पेज पे, एक A4 साइज़ के पेज पे अगर आपको 2 पेज चाहिए, हमारा जो सिंगल पेज है वो लेफ़्ट साइड पे और दूसरा पेज है वो राइट साइड पे है, तो उसके लिए आप इस तरह से कुछ कर सकते हो. 1, 2 दैट विल बी डायरेक्टली कन्वर्टेड ऑन द लैंडस्केप, and you can also change the order also here. Okay, if you want to take the 3 or 4, you can see that 1, 2, 3, and I don't have a 4, that it will become a blank. Okay, So here we are ending